Hello everyone, this is Abbas Hussain with you, and today I'm going to start a new series of which is regarding the Red Hat RACE EX294 V9 exam preparation. So this is our first video. In this video, what we will see or what we will try to cover, here is a list. Let me show you. So there are some points I have mentioned. So first point regarding Red Hat login, or we can say RHN ID. We will see how we can create the login if we don't have before. Second step, we will see how you can buy exam voucher or exam for you. If you are going to take exam first time, then what you have to do? What is the way you can get maximum discount? I will try to tell you. Third number is how we can download Red Hat official ISO image from Red Hat portal so we can do practice on that operating system. Fourth number, if we are going to install operating system, so which hypervisor will help us to do that work. Let's say I have mentioned few of them like VMware Workstation for Windows, you can use that. If you are using MacBook, then you can use VMware Fusion, or Mac has its own virtual platform. You can use that also. Third number is Oracle VirtualBox. You can use that also, or you can use Microsoft Hyper-V. And last one is that you can use any of Google platform. Some of them I have mentioned like Google, Azure, AWS, or any else. Then on five number, what you have to do, you have to take a Red Hat developer subscription, which is freely available. Then add, if you are not using any cloud platform, then you need a hardware configuration. Like if you have a laptop, if you have a desktop, uh, which minimum configuration you need, I will guide you in this video. And the last one, if you are planning to give exam from home, then the good option is that you have to have a good internet connection. But additionally, if you have a laptop, then one external webcam you need, one USB hub to attach one USB uh, keyboard and mouse if you wanted to use, and then a valid ID. For example, like I am in Pakistan, I have my CNIC national ID. If you have that, that's fine. If you are in Pakistan, then you have to have a latest uh, version of CNIC, like English CNIC, because the proctor will see from the camera during the exam, show your CNIC. So you have to show that, and that should not be expired. If your CNIC will be expired, then you will not be able to give the exam. You have to cancel that exam, then again have to give. So make sure that you have a valid CNIC. Then if you don't have a CNIC, you can show your passport or international driving license if you have, or of that country driving license. So let's say the first step that we have to have, which is Red Hat login, how we can create and what is that. So in this notepad, I will do some steps, or I will type which is essential to tell you. Like, if we are going to give the exam, and like I am feeling you are a new person, you never have gone to any institute or Red Hat training partner to take the training. Uh, so you may be unaware of several things for the exam. So first, we need one Red Hat ID or RHN ID. So let me open my browser. In my case, I'm using Opera for this work. You can use any of them like Chrome or any other. So first, what I will do, I will just open www.redhat.com. So cookies, I have to cross this. Then simply I have to go to login. Okay. So in my case, I have Red Hat ID before, but in some cases, if I don't have a Red Hat ID, for example, you are going to give the exam and you don't have a Red Hat ID, then register for a Red Hat account. Or you can also do that. Google.com Red Hat login. Just type here and it will simply go towards Red Hat login. Maybe this. Here you can go again login. And another thing is that this is Red Hat customer portal. You can try with this. But the best thing is that simply open the Red Hat website and then go to register or login. So here you can press the register or you can do from here, register for a Red Hat account. Here you will have to provide some information. For example, it's asking Red Hat for register for a Red Hat account. You need to join your organization account. We don't have organization, so we will create for our own account. So here you can do provide your login information. For example, I can provide a BAS or HSN Tech Village like this, or I can provide my email ID as a username. Okay, so I can do that. Abbas at the rate hsntechvillage.com. I can use that. This will be your login name. So normally in the previous practice, normally students use their own email ID. Like I have my email ID, passasign1@hotmail.com. That is my Red Hat login ID. But if you are going to create now, Red Hat provided the option you can use any custom name. So in my case now, what I'm doing, HSN Tech Village. This is the name that I wanted to give because this name maybe must be available as I am the owner of this domain. So here I will create some password. Let me do it like uh, I'm giving any wrong password, a password. Later on, I will change that. So here he is telling that your login is as user ID accessing your account across the Red Hat sites. It must be at least 5 characters and cannot be changed once created. So think before you create, like I'm creating. So here I'm using, okay, at least 14 characters. So I think this must be a good password. So I know which password I have set. Let me. So what I did during the past video, I have saved my login, this and this information somewhere in the notepad file. So first name will be normally the student full name like Abbas Hussain. Okay. Now the email address. This is very essential. Use here that email ID which is your regular used email ID. Don't use any fake email ID because if Red Hat will send any email to you, so that email will come on this email ID you will mention here. Later on, you can change that ID, but mention the your official email ID which you normally use for your work related. working. And your certificate will also come on this email ID. Even Red Hat updates and some type of data like that, Red Hat will send you. You will receive on this email ID. So in my case, I have one email ID, HSN Tech Village, or let's say abbas@hsntechvillage.com. Department, I can say IT network, job role, student. Uh, if the student is available, or you can say uh, IT auditor, or you can choose your own system administrator, you can choose. And then you can optionally take it like this: marketing, notify me about products, services, and events. You can choose that, otherwise, you don't need to do that. Okay, so this is the information you need. Then create my account, so it will create your account. So what it's saying, okay, and verification email sent on this email ID. So I have to check this email ID. Once the verification will complete, then it will further work. Okay, so here is my webmail ID. So HSN Abbas at rate HSN techvillage.com. So here I just created this account a day ago. So might be will take time. So here you can see I got one email from the Red Hat, and once I will open this, this will verify my Red Hat ID. Link to email verify. Okay, so I have to log in here with this, my account. Login. He said you are already logged in. Okay, so you will see it's showing that I am already logged in. What else you can change? You can change this image, and then you can choose this account type. It's corporate or it's a personal. For me, it's a personal account. So a personal Reddit account is for purchasing or administering your own personal systems, not the official account. You can change here. You can choose so many other things like this. You can put your addresses and like so many things. Like you can choose, for example, I'm choosing Pakistan. Uh, I'm just typing here Lahore. Just typing again Lahore, and here I'm typing my country code and the phone number, which is 0092 333 413 9749. Company name, HSN Tech Village, and okay, you can type here like a student or education, submit. So here you can change some other details like that I have changed. So now you have the Red Hat login ID. So first step that we have done, create RHN or Red Hat login ID. This step has done now. So I hope you will do this thing. Now you are here. Here is option Red Hat developers. Right click just on it, and sometime may you may face some issues. So what you can do, developer dot redhat.com. You can type that also. And from here, what another thing you can do, www.redhat.com. I am telling everything, so you don't need to go to any person. Oh, sir, please tell me this. Please tell me this. What is this? What is this? And what is? Just go to products, go to Red Hat Enterprise Linux, and just try it. So it will do the same thing you are doing from here, developers.redhat.com. So what you can do, just explore Red Hat Enterprise Linux, click on it. Okay. And here, developers.redhat.com. Again, let me type this link here. So the second step, download ISO image we are doing. So the link is this. Here you can download, or you can just click on it and you can download the image. Select Red Hat Enterprise Linux and download. Okay, so this one will be the second step we are doing now. Just click here, and for example, this time, so again, this is again a hint. If you are registering with the Red Hat exam today, and today I'm talking on 23 Jan 2024. So if you are registering your exam today, then at that time, when let's say after 6 month or 7 month or 8 month, you are planning to give the exam. So your exam OS version will be RHEL 9.0. So if you will give exam when you will be in the exam machine and your exam OS version will be 9.0, then why you are trying something else? You have to download RHL 9.0. So during your practice, you will have to face all those glitches and problems. Same if you are going to face in the exam. So it is very must, you must have to know about the version. So now Red Hat 9.3 is, I think, available. But here is an option. If you download that, let's say I click on this, and what it will do, it will just start to download the latest version. So I have to click it, okay, 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 and receive an email notification or Red Hat developer events, including invitations and reminders. I don't want to receive this. I just have to agree that, submit. So what it will do, it will download the latest version. Like see, it's downloading the RHL 9.3. Well, the thing is that I wanted to download RHL 9.0. So what you have to do? More ways to try. Click here. Maybe we can have 9.2, and here you can have this DVD. This this is double ARCH is not for us. This is the architecture. So we need our Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.0, and this version we need. So why not these options? Because this is 766 MB minimal ISO, boot ISO only. So we need complete DVD. So you have to click here, download this one. Okay, so this is, you can see RHEL base OS hyphen 9.0 is downloading. Downloading started. Here now there are two images downloading now. One is 9.0 and one is 9.3. For your understanding, for your working, you can download the both. You can do the practice on 9.3 and you can do the practice on 1.0. But for me, if I am an instructor, I'm telling you, if your exam will be on RHL 9.0, then you should practice on 9.0. If you are getting exam VM, when you will give the exam, you can ask that to the from the Red Hat. Uh, okay, I am going to give this exam. Can you please confirm on which version exam will be taken? So they will guide you. But you don't need, if you are downloading 9.3, that's fine. If you are able to download the exact same version on which your exam will be performed, then that will be a great thing. So I think you will download this ISO, and that will be good. So I have to wait for this. In my case, I have 9.0 already in my laptop. I have downloaded it for me, and I don't have 9.0 3, so I am just letting it do. So it will be downloaded, and I will show you that. There will be no much difference, but there are some big bug fixes in 9.3 that have done as compared to 9.0, and then there are some of new utilities maybe included in 9.3. So you have to be aware about that. But as per the exam, let me open it. If you are doing practice on 9.3 or HCL 9.3, that's fine, no issue. Okay. And if you have RHL 9.0, you can find that easily. That's a good thing to practice, but not essential. Maybe I can do some type of mistake. So forgive me for that. So first thing, we have created the login ID, then we are downloading the ISO image. Okay, I think you will now have the capability to do the both things. I think time is too. Let me check the time. Okay, till the downloading is going on, let's discuss point number 3, which is hypervisor. Okay, in my case, I'm using Windows 11, and I also have the VMware workstation for me. So I will use that in my case. And if I can show you, This is the software I have. Let me double click on it. I have already installed this version. I'm just showing you how you can install this. It will take some time. Okay, like this. Now it will ask a few questions to you. You can just maybe at this time VMware Workstation 17 is also available. You have to see which version is suitable to you. For me, this version is also working and I'm okay with this. Next. So before, because I already have this installed in my system, so it's asking repair, remove or change. I don't need to change. Here is another option, just typically install and you can click next and the installation will be done. So if you are planning to use Oracle VirtualBox, then you have to download. For example, in my case, I don't have Oracle VirtualBox, so I have to or download. Just click download Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it, or you can directly download from the Oracle site. Here is downloads. Click on download. So here it's asking which host will be your system. So in my case, I'm using Windows, so I will click on Windows host, and it will start downloading. Okay, so I will just click on save, and it will start the download. But here is a problem. Don't install two hypervisor at the same time. Like if you are using VMware before, then don't install VirtualBox. Maybe again type of mistake. And if VirtualBox is already installed, then don't install VMware Workstation. What will happen if you do the installation? One of hypervisor will stop working. Okay, so this is the problem you may have to face. So how you can fix that? That is not the deal. That is not the thing that I'm going to discuss here. I'm just awareing you that if you are using Oracle VirtualBox before, then don't install VMware Workstation. Or third solution is that you can uninstall the first one, that may be your VMware Workstation or Oracle VirtualBox, and then install the desired one. I hope now you can understand what I'm saying. Okay, and same thing will be with Microsoft Hyper-V. So in my case, if this installation is done, then just you have to click on Oracle VirtualBox. Next, and just next it will install the Oracle VirtualBox. So I'm making it cancel. And if you are planning to enable Microsoft Hyper-V, then you just have to go to your control panel, then just go to again uh, program and features, then turn on the features, and here you can just select Hyper-V and OK. So it will enable Microsoft Hyper-V for you. So point number third is also okay. Let's say I have this VMware workstation. For me, like this, when you will open, it will be the same like this. I have several virtual machines I have made for this. So now, so now till here, I am closing this session, and in the second section, we will start from the point 4. Okay, thank you